Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make crock pot buffalo chicken chili. It is so good. You're going to love this recipe. It is my love letter to my husband, who always says, let's make something in the crock pot, and I ask what? He says something really yummy. So this is my love letter to him. It's a buffalo chicken chili, and you're gonna love it. So you start with ground chicken, so just get any ground chicken. I have an organic one here, and put it into your crock pot. The best part is it really is a set and forget. You can do everything at once and then leave it and let it cook on your counter. So we have our chicken in there. We're gonna do 1 whole white onion diced, and then we're gonna do about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of some shredded carrot. You wanna get the nice kind of like real shredded up carrot. You can usually buy that just like that in the store. Next thing we're gonna add is 1 can of a Great Northern or a navy bean. You want a nice white bean in this chili. It just goes perfectly. So we're gonna put that in. And then 1 can of a diced tomato and green chilies. I have a Wegmans brand here, but any brand works. You can find it in your canned good aisle. It's just diced up tomatoes and chilies. There are just a few other ingredients at this time. We have some spices, we have a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder, and a celery seed. If you don't have celery seed, you can definitely do celery salt, but I like celery seed in this recipe. It definitely gives it more of a celery flavor, so either one. And then you're gonna put in a buffalo sauce. Now, I personally feel like you have to go with the original Anchor Bar buffalo, but you know what, you do you, whatever buffalo sauce you could find. I actually make a homemade buffalo sauce that you can use as well. And if you think you need a little bit more liquid, you can go ahead and add a little bit more, but 1 jar about this size usually works. Last ingredients, you're gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper, so just get that in like that. And then it is time to set and forget this recipe. If you're cooking it on high, it's gonna take about 3 to 4 hours. If you're cooking it on low, it takes about 7 to 8, but you'll know when it's done. I mean, everyone knows how to crock pot these days. You could definitely tell when it's the texture that you need. So you can give it a stir here and there as it's cooking, and then after that time, you have yourself a delicious buffalo chicken chili. It is so good. It's one of my husband's favorites. It's one of my favorites. It's definitely something different, and you guys are gonna love it. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.